Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? Yes, set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor the Selassie the First. You see it and all things that's good. Seeing, I man want to say welcome all viewers and subscribers. Seeing, and if you just view the thing and subscribe it, like you like the content, share, like and subscribe and make it grow something positive. See it out of the negatives. See, yeah, so I have a little video I want them watch and then we're going at it. There's nothing funny about it of such, but we can laugh with a bit of a pleasantry. See it. So we're not gonna dry it out too much. Because it's a 6-minute video, I want to watch the entirety because I want to hear the details of the people, the emotion of the people. See it, and it kind of give, it give a bit of rise to certain expectation, knowing so well then the people are flex. See it. So just taking that video, I make you get to that style. I don't even know what to say. See it. But we give thanks to the people input. Seeing? Watch this. Huh?
I'm 2 weeks ago, them teeth like fucking people. Boys, boy, them loves that man. Put them in the dark. Him, the one boy. Two of them dark. That boy stop be nice, man. No, that boy stand up and let go.
Get a chance. So no I live. Good work, citizen. So no I live bumble. People are work so hard on they are people.
2 weeks ago,
Right to fall out in a fire out of this pussy. I know. Blood clot. Come get them some driver. I run with a gun, brother. them boy. Yo. Big old shit dog.
You know what them shit, man?
Boy, what up here? Let me see your face. I ain't have the gun him. I won't cheer them, David. You won't cheer them, David. Hey boy, what up your face? I mean, I dead them for blood clot then. A post soul.
No, me I look for some man. Wait. Dog, any thief around here saying I better them thief for Canada, dog. Any thief around here saying. Man, we got people look up, man. You there, dog? Why you can't look up? Yeah, man.
Yes, I. Squaddy outnumbered. My first thing I got squaddy outnumbered. One police officer against a whole heap of people, so and them fear investigate the scene. So more than likely the people them step in, citizens step in and assist with their service. Because the police have served them, so you understand? So them help gather up and heap up the thing while go on the ground there. You know, see it? So watch you now. One policeman will come after is a fly up on the UTS, the one at the red seam. Me see a fly on the UTS, it look big like it could have been a bees. And the youth are good allergic to bees bite and everything, so the officer have to do him civil duty or civic duty and box off the fly off him ears. Me see the fly. See? Yeah. Yeah, we don't see the fly. Everybody will see the fly comment in the section. We see a fly. You see it? Yeah. Youth and youth, me don't know how to go with this to be fair, to be reasonable. You see it? Because get the people to treat at step or so, you know. Get the people draw one side and make them run past. Me remember one time, this other brother boast or romanticize nothing. You see it? But we up in a Warieka one day and the lady there wash up the clothes them and things like that, you know. Sit down in front of a wash pan and police are run down a man, see a gunman. You know, see it and the man just drop him gun at the wash pan and run gone same way. You know, see it and mommy just there wash same way, she didn't even change a beat. You know, see it, and the police just blaze past, gone behind the man. Run, gone, so gone hold him and ask him where the gun there, Oh, the mommy there, I wash same way. You know, see it. Me not advise nobody to do that. Me not encourage nobody to do that. But me just show you the difference between now and then. You know, see it, how people used to treat at stepper and all them things there. You know, see it. Because the people them usually see them as a kind of you know what I say, a positive force, no disrespect. All the time people never like when people challenge law or neither, you know, see it. But them usually have a certain level of compassion for them youth, because you know, say them old people could have stopped them youth in them tracks and reason with them any day. Them youth was so much connected with, you know me I say, that's them listen to mommy and your mommy I say, even though them are then and like a challenge, but them are reason out and I give reason or purpose to them stepping out to them cars to mommy, so that's mommy can understand and know so mommy this and a loose thing. You know, see it, somebody feel like say, you know, see, yeah, because mommy love stop them and pray for them and them things. I'm not talking my mother personally, you know, I talk every mother. You know, see it? Yes, Rasta. And I lie me, I tell, ask No, but them youth are Rasta, look there, you know see it. You know see it. I fret for no along all no there so lie down, you know. Because all me can see. Me see one heap of gunshot a pointing on the head back. I don't know them see it and them realize it. Cause Jamaican people can't go lay on down right at one stone heap, you know, man. Some limestone and milestone, them not broke, you know, man. Them they are stuck in a skull, you know. You see it? And you know, saying a stone in a Jamaican hand, you know, is like a missile. It's no longer considered a stone, you know, it's no weaponized. The moment it go in a Jamaican hand, man, it's weaponized. You know, see? Police not joke, you know. Them police respect Atsaaf to no officers. So the police them can't go lay on down right in a stone heap and leave you know with the crowd. You see, one time a youth, you know, this is no glorification and no form of crime and violence to nobody. I just show no incidents or have to make aware of ourselves, on a position. You know, see, one time a youth got robbed, you know, and a runner come back, you know, and the crowd catch him, you know, and beat him, you know. Seeing somewhere in East Kingston, you know. Seeing? And when the crowd done beat him and him dead lie down, unconscious, half dead, almost dead. You know, see, the Jeep drive down. See? And the crowd, you know, the police Jeep drive down and look and see the body upon the ground and say, oh, I didn't hear the explanation. Obviously, them know what I go on before them reach. You know, see? Anyway, them reach and say, what go on? And them tell them, say, yo, the thieving boy and the crowd might be man beat him and whatever rate it. The police go test him and find out, say him not dead. And jump back in the Jeep and say, me come back in, him not dead. Come back in a 20 minutes time. You know, see, think of that him say, I'm some going on another hour and drive gone. You know, see it. You know, see it. So, a different time now, I want to get away with that one day, I'm not lucky, you know, see it. And what I say again, it's like the contrast with how country people used to move. I go on there, so I told people, I say I do it now, them proper fed up. You know, see it. You know, see it. Yeah, man. And the man, them, whether they're not lucky, the man, them have respect, the man, them have strong respect for the police because them exercise extraordinary restraint. The crowd, the citizens, them exercise extraordinary restraint as Jamaicans. You see it? Because Jamaican people will love to take the opportunity to beat you in a situation like that. Brutally beat you. You see it? Me say, I'm going to lie down there for the whole video, me there tense and me I say, somebody are going to pick up a stone. Somebody are going to pick up a stone. I do run in another crowd there. I do run in another crowd there. You know, see it? Yeah, man. I know say a man don't pick up. I tell myself a man will pick up a stone and start sink it in a people's head. And everybody will just gravitate to it. Because everybody there they're willing to do it, you know, but it's like them caught up. Them emotion caught up in something else. Probably something going on before the way the police apprehend them, you know. Because me them must celebrate the police action. You know what I say? If you hear the lady them and the respect squaddy, and them way, which is kind of a rarity. You know, Jamaica, given the nature, crime fighting today and all them sitting there. You know, see it, but, you know, respect squaddy. Respect, because again, you know, if squaddy did, if I was some certain type of police, you know, them take the opportunity to make blood run, you know, Rasta. You see it, and the thing agree where you can see from the nature of the crowd would have never give a second thought about that. You see it, you never get them crowd that protest about nothing. You see it, it's like them would have more prefer that than what go on with this really, than when you get arrested youth. You know, see it, you know, see the nature of the common people, normal people, them are the majority in the rest of them fear, you know. Yeah, them, you know. We can't say them fear having no back because you don't know what now. The other man having no back when you don't know. You don't have no focus on no cause. You know, see, support people can't have no like that. And it's a threat to them, it's a danger to them. You know, see, and it's heart-rending to see mothers basically like them a call for the we can't call that sacrifice in the Rasta. That wouldn't be, you know? I couldn't blame the crowd them. I couldn't blame the people for feel threatened like that and feel like, so well, then them in a nest of mosquito and them for just a swat. Swat, 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 swat. You know, see it? I can't blame the people them for feel like that in regards to the item Rasta. Yes, but God, no, they know. But again, if we did dead, what could I say? 3 life last, not even that I couldn't say, because I only go give them away. So we don't lose them, and if we get them for protect them, and we not take care of them. You know, see, oh, me if we go there, lament, but loss of life and all them things there. Because we don't that Rasta. You know, see it. Me don't know what I want to go do. Me no business. Me just know say so the people them round on the people them round in a mood. You know, see it. And you know, see it right at the stone heap there, so. Because nobody right through the camera there. I wonder if the camera already they have video. The whole thing. The whole scenario. Probably I just that, you know. You know, see it. Because, yeah. You know. But I don't think anybody is really liable for punishment in a mob attack like that, you know. Me nah say, me nah organize or me nah no, and nothing like that. Me just state the facts. I think right through time me grew up and things like that in Jamaica when me say mob beating go on. Regardless of the result, you know, you never usually hear or see no prosecution from that, you know. And I'm sure that's still the case. You see, I don't know if like how the camera dead there and probably the man will go through the first blow, him now go be the inciter and them way the instigator or something like that. Probably that. But me know say in a mob, when the mob grab a man and you know me I say a 3 man where just rob some people in them community and things like that. You know, me know say prosecution never usually, it always fail when it comes to that subject there. You know, see it. So them youth there really, really lucky this morning and you know, me nah, yeah. You know, see it, and I hope you learn because, like I say, every youth have a ability, you know, and a contribution of make. You know, see it, and when you come and waste on the life, regardless how hungry you know, and feel Rasta, focus on the contribution you're supposed to make towards humanity in order to change that. You know, see it. Right now, the way you now move, it's not like some man they are a lament how man a rob a man for stop the crime. That is not the case. It's the nature of where crime I go. And it's like the meditation where they either commit the crime them under Rasta. It's unsavory. No crime no savory. No crime no tasteful. You know, see, but at the end of the day, you know, certain extreme, certain it's irregular and it go against human nature in general because I right across the world. The world where I look upon now, you know. I don't look upon some of the things that we are going to Jamaica, Rasta with the man them get with. But in terms of crime, both politicians and the youth them and everybody, you know, see it. It's like it's an open playing field for corruption. You know, see it. Like at the new Port Royal with corruption. You know, see it. So, you know, them youths are really lucky still. You know, see it. And you see the mob type of people will love beat people, crowd of community will love beat people to a certain degree, lost an opportunity with a 1 year. I not say I love them or I not say I hate them type of people. I just say, I just represent, you know, see, say them lost an opportunity with them youth, yeah. And I just say, you know, them youth are lucky, seeing, which is a good thing, seeing, because we not celebrate the loss of life and we not preach for that, you know, see, we not inspire that, a change we are trying to inspire, you know, see, but given the nature of a fear, I cannot blame. It would have been a natural reaction Given the nature of a fear. You know, see, a mother end it with her chicken, or she go on, like, she no want dead, you know, because she no want dead left her chicken them with fear reaction, because she no run brave dead, full like she ready for dead. She has fight and like a defensive type of reaction where anything might happen. Yeah, I might get plucked out and all them things there. No fearness, no tactic, no another fight. Yeah. You know what I say? And that nature me I get from the crowd. You know, God stop you know lie down on the ground there, so Rasta. You know, I used to them thing there and love them thing there. You know, got jail and now, you know, good at on, you know, big stage because wow, I'm viral. I'm a lucky man. You see it? I'm lucky one never make another statistic today. You see it? So, when I take into some consideration, and squaddy, well done. You know, see, good job. Me nah say you regard you do your professionality. Me see say you was outnumbered and you need help from the crowd. And the crowd was a bit rowdy. You couldn't control that neither. You did have to secure the crime scene. See? Extraordinary professionalism, sir, under pressure. You know, see it. So, well done, sir, and well done. That's all I can. You know, see it. Youth, you know, lucky. You know, see it. Because squaddy and the crowd was well within them right for use extreme force because it's a dangerous state of affair on the island today and you can't do take them type of thing for granted. See, them thing in a people's head regardless of how you think and how you perceive easy pickings or ghetto people, poor people without security as easy target like predator. Oh, they, you know me I said I them move like predator from poor people. From poor people, you know, see it. In particular. And like I said, that is just because you know say the likelihood of getting a successful investigation at the end that would lead to a conviction is nil. Little or nil, you know, see, that's why I don't know really choose poor people because again the shoes on the other foot with the rich people you know say the prosecution pending, you know see it, and just go and run till you get old. You know see it. So you have to be careful one of the youth and no say you just walk a dead road and come back a while ago. So you give thanks and continue chada. So I say, look on the youth here. Look on the youth here. Be it, you know. Yeah, give thanks, share, like and subscribe. You see it. More bless. Rastafari.